Advantages of digital marketing. In advantages, first, addition to social media, it revealed from the empirical study that the 22% of the world's total population using the Facebook. In a total population, 22% population were using the Facebook, and social media is a strongly preferred as the mean of a customer care. The trend now is the person spending the 2 hours a day and an average on a social media. Every person or any person will spend a 2 hours and an average they will spend 2 hours on a using of a social media like WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter, etc. And this is the main advantages. Next advantages, comfortable platform for a small businesses. It means very social digital marketing is a very comfortable platform to those small businesses. Many multinational companies like MC Dongle, Walmart, Nestle having the entered into a big way to Indian market to sell the various types of fast-moving consumer goods and services, opening the big shopping malls in every locality of the towns or cities. It means many multinational companies were enter into a digital market like Walmart, Nestle, and etc. This is the and also big way to enter to Indian market also, and they are also selling the many types of goods in India. Next, providing the more targeted consumers. Every advertisement made through the print or any media will be focused on a specific audience who read the magazines, newspapers. The advertisement message is also controlled within the publication guideline, and also any advertisement or every advertisement are controlled under the media guidelines or guidelines are a media instruction. According to media instruction they should publicate the advertisement. And and also next point, personal contact. The importance of a digital market lies in the developing the personal contact of a targeted consumer. Digital marketing facilitates the targeting individual consumers through the emails, taking the marketers to the individual levels. It means personal contacting. It means a company or any marketers will try to connect with the personal connect with the consumers. Like every day they will be sending them email messages or Twitter messages to those consumers to keep a personal daily contact touch. This is personal contact. Next, more advanced analytic more advanced analytic digital market has become important because of its more advanced analytical of a consumers customers data. The traditional methods of analyzing the performance of a TV advertisement marketers are unable to get the clear information about the timing becoming the advertisement of a reaching of the product information proper way. It means more advanced analysis. It is a very important to get the more advanced and also getting the more information from the consumers. And easy scale easy scale and adapt adapt in every marketing activity. Initial investment is a must to secure the consumers advertisement process consumer traffic, and it continues to flow with the greater effect. This may be expensive expensive perspective for a small businesses, and it is a very easy and adapted. With the digital marketing they can make a huge marketing to the consumers, and also they can cost a very less to the companies. Next point, best returns on investment. ROI, best returns on investment. Empirical studies throughout the world having the revolved revolved the business that businesses get the whopping 3800% returns on a investment. If marketer spend a 1 rupee, he will get a returns on a 38 to 40 rupees. Email is the best chosen form to communicate the product message. It means it is a it is a best return on a investment. It means in the world nowadays, new modern world are seeing the like these techniques. How means, they are investing a less amount. Like if you invest 1 rupee, you can get a 38 rupees for 38 to 40 rupees. You can get a earnings of a best returns by way of commissions and interest, etc. And also next, meets the requirement of a shoppers. Meets the requirement of a shoppers. It means the importance of a digital market lies in the fact that provides goods or services according to chosen of a consumers. Those who are the addicted to the online marketing concern the first online review of the product to be purchased. A purchase decision of a shoppers is governed by a reviewing. It means who having a habit of watching every day or every time social media, like Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. They can get a easily of a product and required shoppers. And also those persons are first reviewer of this e-marketing. Last advantages of this is valuing customers. It is a very important to the digital marketing. This is the allow the marketers to market to people in a way that shows the respect to them and value them human beings. Consumers demand the respect along with the purchase. Value of the consumers, it means every marketers to market to the people in a showing the respect to them. If a marketer does not showing any respect to the consumer, they are not ready to purchase, or they are not ready to visit your marketing website or a marketing product only. They are not ready. And also if you respectfully and giving a respectfully and also giving in a good response to the those purchaser, he is ready to purchase that products. These are the advantages of digital market. Next, disadvantages of digital market. How advantages are there in the digital marketing? No, and also in the same way there is so many disadvantages also there. Let's we see one by one. First disadvantages, non-availability of internet. Yeah, as usual, see. In a rural or a remote area, even in a Bangalore also, it is a more urban area, developed city. In India, Bangalore is a developed city. In the developed city only, we are facing a internet problem. In a remote and villages area, and also they are more facing of internet problem. It means first and foremost, the problem with the digital market is without internet. Without internet, we can't do digital market. This should be remembered by the companies. And using next point, using the some digital channels. It means using the same digital channels. Like examples, first you started in the for example, if you start in the 2001, you by you posting in a through email only. Same procedure you keep on repeating means even customer also get bored, and also he will not get to interest to see your product and your channel only. That is the another disadvantage to the your company and goods. Next, negative attitude. Negative attitude of a some consumers. Negative attitude means some consumers does not take a same brand of a certain company, and this consumer can pertain negative. It means some consumers are not ready to take a continuously same brand, same product only. He does not prefer. He prefers the different product and different companies product. He will try. In this way, he can get a negative attitude on this product, and in this way digital marketing only. Next, limited only limited only to consumers goods. Limited only consumer goods. It means practically limitations of a digital marketing is that it is a suitable for consumers goods and services. These goods can be easily propagated through the digital channel. It means limited only. It means in a digital marketing, if we keep a limited in a digital marketing, if we keep a limited for the product and the services, they can't survival in a market, in a competitive market only. They fail to reach the consumers. Next, last point, viewed mainly by the non-purchaser. It means in name only it is suggesting digital marketing provides a more only information to the that perspective must whom do not have the purchasing authority or a power purchasing power. They may be result in a non-achievement of a target sales. Resale value will be less than the what they expected. It means some customers and more maximum customers will not ready to purchase in online only, and they will visit to those website, and they will inquire about the price and features, and they will try to purchase in another way, like in another mode of marketing they will prefer. They are visitors, just visitors only, not ready to purchase. This is the main disadvantages of a digital marketing.